Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Um, if you like what you see, go ahead, like and subscribe. Today I'm just showing you a quick video of things that I use for my daughter's hair and my hair to help increase hair growth. It's for people with relaxed and natural. I use the Live, as you can see in my hand right there. That's what I use on my daughter's hair. That keeps her hair very moisturized. I use a spray gel. That I mixed up. It's a concoction that I mixed up. It's a marshmallow root and flax seeds. I boil it, and then I make that the mixture that you see in the glass jar, the mason jar, and I actually put that on my daughter's hair before I put any type of braids or anything in it, and it keeps her hair moisturized almost the entire time that it's actually braided. I also use it on my hair. I have natural hair right now as I'm growing it back out. I use it on my hair before I do anything to it. It keeps my hair moisturized, and it helps it stop breaking off. It does the same thing with my daughter hair. So if you guys are looking for something that is going to increase your hair growth, help you retain your length, try both of these products. You can use them combined together, especially for little girls, because the best thing for any hair growth, you want to not have to manipulate your hair so much. I wanted to try to show you the consistency of this hair product that I made myself. It's a DIY, but as you can see, it's kind of slimy, but it's not real thick, but it holds moisture, and that's the main thing. When you do your little girl's hair, this is going to hold the moisture and keep you from redoing her hair. So the less you redo your child's hair, the more it's going to grow. Again, I use the Live, and I'm going to show you the consistency in that. It does kind of leave a residue where you put the rubber bands, if you were to put rubber bands in your hair, but it is still great for the hair. It's going to help hold the moisture, and it keeps you from having to redo your daughter's hair, and it's going to keep the length and retain moisture. Do not manipulate your child's hair so often, and this is going to keep it moisturized and keep it growing. I hope this has been some very helpful information. As you can see again, that is the Live that I use. It's a great product. It has all the stuff they tell us not to use, but hey people, we used this stuff when we were little. Some of us were able to grow our hair long, and some of us were not. This is helping me and my daughter retain length. I'll be wearing my hair natural right now. I'm wearing it braided up, but right now I'm not. I'll keep you updated on more things. Like and subscribe. Thank you.